Hello and welcome to the Definedge YouTube channel. I am Brijesh Bhatia. This video comprises of a one window to check everything about the Definedge ecosystem. Be it the products, be it the subscription of your product, be it the reports of your account, how your intraday positions have performed, your open positions, your holdings, or maybe your earning curve. Probably this video may be slightly lengthy because I'll be explaining each and every aspect of our new dashboard which is available on my account in Definedge Securities. So let's jump on to the one by one parameters and what you should look at and how it will help you out. So let's start with the first. If you look at right on the top, your name and account or the UCC account number will be there. Though for a security reason, this has been blurred, but at the top of the right, you will see your name, the account holder's name and UCC code. Then there is a ledger balance. What is the ledger balance in your account? Your total holdings. Now these holdings comprises of equity, ETFs, which is the demat account, and in case you have a mutual fund with us, this account will comprises of each and everything, be it equity and mutual funds. So keep in mind regarding that. Then cash collateral, non-cash collateral, total collateral, or in case you have done a collateral with any of the stocks, then this amount will be reflected over here. And the last is the wallet. So wallet is basically when you buy a product of a Definedge securities, so that amount will be added into your wallet, which can be subsidized against your brokerage. So that would be the wallet you can see. So that's the an overview of your, I would say, the amounts what the holdings and the ledger balance are. And I've slightly moved down. If you look at on the left hand side, it's the P&L account. Now we have divided into unrealized and realized. So there may be holding which are yet to be closed, and there will be the holding which have been closed. So there will be a two types, realized and unrealized. In case you want to make a payment paying, or you are want to request a payout, then you can select the tab above which is the paying, select your bank, select the amount and make the paying. If you want to request payout, select the payout. There is a fund reallocation between probably equities and commodities. So in case FNO or segments, then you have to go to the fund reallocation. In case you want to create a pledge, as I said, collateral, and you want to create a pledge, go to the create pledge. If you want to unpledge, go to the unpledge. Then you can just check in your pain payout history as well, how much pain you have made to Definedge, how much payout you have taken from the your trading account, and then there will be a pledge history in case you have pledged, unpledged, whatever will be there. So all the details will be available in all these tabs. Coming on to the PNL, again, as I said, realized and unrealized. Then there are reports. Okay, now with this dashboard, you don't need to call anybody regarding your probably ledger balance or trade, how what trade you have done, your daily bills. You can just also look at the daily bills available over here, your open positions in case you have into the open positions. If you want to download any contract note, you can go on to the digital contract as well, and in case if there is a margin you want to check out, then there is a margin available as well. So that's on to the report side. Now coming on to the products, so we have n number of products for you. I just go a few couple of lines on each product and just help you out. So Zone Web is basically the web based trading platform available to you with the charting method, and you can add market watch, you can add multiple charts to analyze and trade. Opstra is basically our option based trading platform. In case you are opening new account and watching this video, you get a free 30 days pro subscription to all these products. Try it out, and in case you are subscribed to that product, as I said, when you subscribe to that product, that amount is credited to your wallet, which can be subsidized against the brokerage as well. Then there is a Zone Mobile, where we have a mobile app for trading, which is known as Zone app for Definedge. You also have a Opstra mobile app as well. Directly you can look, analyze and trade on the options using the Opstra app. Then there is a TradePoint, which is a EXT based charting platform where you can use charting. You can use real-time scanners where this you build a system. There will be a system running, automatic scanner will automatically pop up the stocks, and you can use that scanner as well. So if you want to look for a real-time scanning of the your trading system, do subscribe for the TradePoint. It's EXE based. Then there is a Radar, which is a fundamental product where you can use multiple screeners, create your own screeners. We have ready built screeners. In fact, what's interesting, our users are so much active, they even also post the systems into the trading system into the R zone, which is publicly available. Even we at a Definedge regularly post systems onto the public, and investors who are actively into our Definedge securities, they too post the fundamental systems on our radar system. So do check out the radar. It is absolutely free for all the Definedge account users. Okay, then there is an R zone, which is analysis platform. Scanner, you can build a scanner. We have multiple videos based on the R zone. You can just go on our YouTube archives and you can just check it out what a kind of systems we have built on that. Then there is a Momentify product, which is basically a momentifying trading and investing, where we have multiple videos as well by Prashant Shah. You can just then Buzzer is our alert system, where you can just check out, or you can, in case you want a breakout system and you want that say probably Nifty breaks out around 25,000 level and it's trading at around 24,900. So you marked an alert over there, right click on the chart, create an buzz alert or set alerts or probably set buzzers. You can click over there and it will automatically pop up the notifications on mobile or email, whatever you select, and it will show you the Nifty has crossed 25,000 as and when it crossed. Then there is an also system based on where volumes, sometimes there could be a price action with 5% upside and there could be a volume rise as well. So you can use an price and volume alerts on buzzer as well. I have recorded a special video on that. You can just check out in our archive. Then there is an MF zone based on mutual fund analysis, where you can also buy the mutual fund based on that. We have multiple scanners also based on mutual funds, so you can just check that out. Then we have Optest, where you can do options backtesting as well, or using the Optest. Then there is a Shelf, which is our educational platform where you can read books written by Prashant Shah. There are multiple books also for you to write out. And there is an Insight, where we keep our users keep on learning on various videos. There are various articles based on that, and you can just watch out on the insights as well. And there are few more like forum, where we write, where we discuss, or you can also discuss on the various charts, various studies, or you can share our feedback, anything. Then there is a Gurukul, which is our learning platform. We have multiple courses based on candlesticks, options, point and figure, Renko, breadth, whatever you name, we have on Gurukul platform as well. So there are free courses as well with your Definedge account users on candlesticks, Hekenashi. We have options based free course. So there are free course which will be available to you if you open at Demat account. Then there is a Moneyable product, and Moneyable is probably the interesting product that would not be for you, but it is an amazing product for your kids. We have focused on financial education for kids as well, and Moneyable is that product where you should look at for your kids, where it will be financial literacy at the early age, and it's been amazingly video based, animation based, where you can your kids can learn about financial markets. Now coming on back to the PNL. So there is a PNL calendar as well. So if in case you want to select a date and you want to check out what was my position on how did I perform on those days, you can check that as well on particular day as well. There is a total summary as well. You can look at the monthly summary, how the monthly summary has performed, net PNL, and you can look at the number of trades which have done. So probably as of now there are 0 trades and 0 monthly PNL account over here. Now this is very important. Okay, so asset allocation is large cap, mid cap and small cap. Now sometimes it happens that you bought some X stock, Y stock, and that it's been hold in the your Demat account. आपको मालूम ही नहीं है मिड कैप का है कि स्मॉल कैप का है, एंड मार्केट्स आर गोइंग हायर एंड हायर, से निफ्टी इज गोइंग हायर एंड हायर, स्मॉल कैप नीचे जा रहा है. यू विल बी वेरी मच कंफ्यूज कि मेरा पोर्टफोलियो काम क्यों नहीं, मेरा पोर्टफोलियो आउट परफॉर्म क्यों नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज स्मॉल कैप इज अंडर परफॉर्मिंग योर, एंड प्रोबेबली योर पोर्टफोलियो में हैव लार्ज चंक ऑफ small cap. So here you can look out what is the asset allocation for your portfolio. Now this includes equity as well as mutual fund as well. So large cap comprises of around, as of now it comprises of 67%, mid cap 17 and small cap probably 17. So that's the asset allocation over here for this account. Then you can also look at portfolio summary, where your allocations into the sector as well. So if you look at banks, FMG, retail, power are probably the top, coming up with the 17% each, and you can divide and you can just check it out with the sector, how the sector is performing, because once your sector performs and if you are holding that positions into your portfolio, probably that could outperform over here. So this is asset allocation, and which will be clearly visible with the pie charts over here. Then there is an interesting table or probably you may see that lots of numbers are available over here, but I just simplified. This is the stocks which you are holding. Sometimes it happens कि you go to a portfolio manager कि भाई मेरा portfolio कैसा चल रहा है, रिव्यू करके बताओ मेरे को, क्या होल्ड करना चाहिए, मेरे को क्या होल्ड नहीं करना चाहिए. That's the basic question for every investor, right? आपको भी ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि मेरा portfolio. Now, if you are holding any stocks, if you look at the company which are holding, it will be available to you. Now that would be LTP. There's a PP score which, if you go to our radar platform, there's a PP score which is our in-house bugs and pitfalls. It's our in-house scoring system. Now if you go deep detail into our radar videos, you'll get understand what is PNP score. Now you can judge based on the PNP score. Okay, it should be held or it should be closed out. Interestingly, you can also look at PE and debt to equity ratios, which is and ROCE, how it's been performing. ठीक है, प्रमोटर होल्डिंग क्या हो रहा है कंपनी में. प्रमोटर होल्डिंग अगर बढ़ रही है तो विच मीन्स येस समथिंग गुड इज हैपनिंग. प्रमोटर होल्डिंग कम हो रही है तो something it's not good. Then you can look at OPM, okay, operational profit margins. Then there is a D score which is available, which is our in-house defined momentum D score, which is allocated based on our parameters. You can just check out कि D score अच्छा है कि बुरा है, D score बढ़ रहा है कि D score घट रहा है based on the momentum. Okay, then look at the price which are about 50 SMA, 200 SMA, 52 week high क्या है 52 week. This is simplified. आपको एक विंडो में देख के समझ में आ जाएगा कि मुझे ये स्टॉक होल्ड करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना. If stock is continuously around its 52 week lows, does it make any point in holding the stock? No. Okay. If the stock is continuously around 52 week high, does it make point to hold? Yes, you should, because price stocks are rising above. Okay, then you can just look out each and every stops over here. Okay, now just keep in mind that कि ETF के आपको ये P और D नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, rest thing probably the fundamental numbers may not be there for ETFs, but 52 week higher वो सब तो आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. Now और एक टेबल आएगा आपको नीचे, where you will look at performance of this table के what you have invested, what is the current value, what is the weightage to each and every stocks out of your portfolio. ठीक है, अगर आप निफ्टी 50 देखोगे तो निफ्टी 50 के 50 स्टॉक में से हर एक स्टॉक को कुछ ना कुछ वेटेज है. रिलायंस एंड TCS एंड HDFC होल्ड्स दी टेबल ऑन द टॉप. उसके बाद परसेंटेज कम होते जाते हैं. वैसे ही आपका पोर्टफोलियो का भी परसेंटेज आप उसको यहाँ पर आप चेक कर सकते हो कि मेरे पोर्टफोलियो अगर 50 लाख का है तो 50 लाख में से मेरे पास रिलायंस कितने हैं, HDFC कितने हैं, TCS कितने हैं. यू कैन चेक एवरीथिंग. ये परसेंटेज यहाँ पर आपको दिखा है. उसके बाद उसका परफॉर्मेंस भी आएगा. 1 डे का परफॉर्मेंस कितना है, 1 मंथ का कितना है, 3 मंथ का कितना है, 1 ईयर का कितना है. सो दैट स्टॉक इज अंडर परफॉर्मिंग द मार्केट्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो लुक एट. देन इंटरेस्टिंगली देयर इज अ ब्रेथ ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस. ओके, तो आपका पोर्टफोलियो का ब्रेथ कितना चल रहा है. योर पोर्टफोलियो ब्रेथ इससे प्रॉब्लम इट्स करंटली शोइंग 33%, विच इज ऑन टू द डाउन साइड. तो ये आउट परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है. एंड इफ आई जस्ट लुक एट द निफ्टी 500 ब्रेथ, ठीक है, निफ्टी 500 ब्रेथ का 18% है. आई एम आउट परफॉर्मिंग निफ्टी 500 बिकॉज उसका ब्रेथ तो मेरे से कम है. ओके, बट अगर ये ब्रेथ नीचे जा रही है विच इज अ साइन ऑफ ओवरसोल्ड बहुत बार, प्रॉब्लली मार्केट में रिवर्स. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक योर पोर्टफोलियो रिवर्स हो रहा है कि नहीं. नाउ वन थिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग व्हेन मार्केट रिवर्स. कीप इन माइंड मार्केट रिवर्सल हो रहा है तो आपके इफ आई रिमेंबर एसेट एलोकेशंस का मैंने बताया था आपको पाई चार्ट्स में. चेकआउट लार्ज कैप मोमेंटम में है, मिड कैप मोमेंटम में है, स्मॉल कैप मोमेंटम में है. अगर इफ वन ऑफ द थ्री इज राइजिंग और आपका पोर्टफोलियो मिड कैप में और लार्ज कैप बढ़ रहा है तो आपको परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दिखेगा. अगर आपका मिड कैप में ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस है और लार्ज कैप भी बढ़ रहा है तो आपको नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड कि when market reverse, when breadth reverses from the oversold zone, okay, आपका पोर्टफोलियो एसेट एलोकेशंस का साथ में बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं बढ़ रहा है, ये आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, so that's being part of analysis you should look at. Then there is an equity curve for the period. You can select 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. आप इक्विटी कर्व आपका चेक कर सकते हो. इंट्राडे पीएनएल अगर आपका पोजीशंस होगा तो एज ऑफ नाउ यहाँ पर इंट्राडे पीएनएल नहीं है बिकॉज इंट्राडे पोजीशंस नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट चेक आउट इंट्राडे पोजीशंस के हिसाब से क्या है. देन देयर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर द पीरियड. ओके, अगर आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स तो ऊपर अगर आपने 1 ईयर लिया है तो आपको स्टैटिस्टिक्स 1 ईयर की मिलेगी. ओके, टोटल पीएनएल कितना है मेरा, मैंने टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स कितने किए हैं. ओके, मेरा पीक पॉइंट क्या था, मेरा हाईएस्ट ऊपर कितना गया था, मेरा लोएस्ट कितना गया था. देन देयर इज अ हिट रेट ऑफ माय ट्रेड्स. ठीक है, तो आप उसको ट्रेड एनालिसिस भी यहाँ पर कर सकते हो. हिट रेट कितना था मेरा, मैक्स विन कितना था पर ट्रेड का, मैक्स लॉस कितना था. देन देयर इज अ विन लॉस रेशियो. तो अगर मैं 100 रुपये इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, 100 रुपये का रिस्क ले रहा हूँ तो मैं कितना कमा रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर आप देखो तो विन लॉस रेशियो इज 1.04 विच इज स्लाइटली एवरेज आई वुड से. ओके, नॉट दैट ग्रेट. ठीक है, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो लुक एट सेगमेंट वाइज. अगर आप इक्विटी में ट्रेड करते हो, एफएनओ में ट्रेड करते हो, कमोडिटीज में ट्रेड करते हो, करेंसी में ट्रेड करते हो, एवरीथिंग सेगमेंट वाइज आप यहाँ पर ट्रैक कर सकते हो. नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स कितना हुआ, हिट रेट कितना हुआ, मैक्स विन, मैक्स लॉस जो मैंने आपको बताया, आप वो सेगमेंट वाइज डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 1 मंथ, 6 मंथ्स, 1 ईयर, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ओवर ईयर. सो दिस इज वन यू शुड डेफिनेटली कीप ऑन चेकिंग, बिकॉज आई बिलीव अगर आप ट्रेड अपना रेगुलरली ट्रैक कर रहे हो, आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मार्केट इज गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेड्स यू आर गोइंग ऑन. सो देयर कुड बी अ मार्केट फेजेस वेयर मार्केट वुड बी रेंज, बट आप अगर आप ऑप्शन स्ट्रेडल्स शॉर्ट करते हो, देन दैट कुड बी अ गुड मार्केट फॉर यू. ओके, मार्केट अगर ट्रेंडिंग मूव में है, शायद आपको उसमें ट्रेंडिंग मूव में पैसा मिलेगा. तो यू हैव टू कीप चेकिंग आउट के भाई कौन से टाइप में मेरे सिस्टम्स चल रही है कि नहीं चल रही है, क्यों नहीं चल रही, नहीं चल रही है तो रीजन क्या है. ओके, जैसे मैंने कहा स्ट्रेडल स्ट्रेंगल शॉर्ट्स कर रहे हो आप और मार्केट इज ट्रेंडिंग, तो शायद आपका पैसा ही नहीं बनेगा बिकॉज मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग में है. सो यू हैव टू कीप एटलीस्ट हैव एन हैबिट ऑफ checking at least once a month. Once a week is amazing. You have to at least give 1 hour once a week on every weekend. आप चेक कर लो उसको, ठीक है. देन द विन रेट, इक्विटी, कमोडिटी कितना परसेंटेज है, क्यूमुलेटिव पीएनएल सेगमेंट वाइज आप इसको चेक कर सकते हो. ओके, देन पीएनएल अकाउंट ट्रेड सेगमेंट वाइज आपको यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ठीक है. देन इन केस इफ यू आर होल्डिंग एनी स्टॉक्स, ओके, वहाँ पर कोई कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन हुआ है उस स्टॉक में आपके पोर्टफोलियो के, ओके, बिकॉज अगर आपके पोर्टफोलियो में आइडिया है ही नहीं और आइडिया में कॉर्पोरेशन है, सो इट विल नॉट शो ओवर हियर. बट आपके अकाउंट में आइडिया है, आइडिया में कोई कॉर्पोरेशन है, तो यहाँ आपको दिखेगी. तो यू हैव टू कीप अ वॉच ऑन. यहाँ से क्या होगा ना, एक ही डैशबोर्ड में आपके पोर्टफोलियो का हर चीज यहाँ मिल जाएगा आपको कहीं जाना नहीं है, कहीं गूगल पे जाके सर्च भी नहीं करना है कि मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में ये स्टॉक्स में ये क्या हो रहा है, ये स्टॉक्स में क्या नहीं हो रहा है. इज दी ट्रेंड इन अलाइन विद, इज दी फंडामेंटल अलाइन विद माई पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक विच आई एम होल्डिंग, ठीक है. फिर आपका शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न आ जाएगा. अगर आपका जो स्टॉक है उसका शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न कैसा है, एफआईआई क्या कर रहा है, डीआई क्या कर रहा है, पब्लिक के पास कितना होल्डिंग है, प्रमोटर के होल्डिंग है, all the stuffs you can get over here. So I guess if you are having any investment avenues, ये सारा चीज टू डिसाइड कि मेरे को ये स्टॉक होल्ड करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको एक विंडो में सब एनालिसिस करने को मिला. यू हैव डोंट हैव टू रश एवरीवेयर कि ये दोस्त है मेरा वो फंडामेंटल अच्छे से देखता है तो आप उसको जाके पूछोगे. देखिए यहाँ पर आपको सब चीज अंडर वन विंडो मिल जाती है. दिस इज आवर न्यू डैशबोर्ड which is exclusively available for all the Definedge account users. So I hope this new window will definitely appeal, and in case you feel that कि ये सारा बहुत सारा चीज़ अच्छा है and any of your friends and family doesn't have Definedge demat account, do refer them and show this window. I am damn sure कि आपको किसी थर्ड पर्सन के पास जाना नहीं पड़ेगा to take a view कि मुझे पोजीशन होल्ड करनी चाहिए या नहीं. Signing off, ब्रिजेश भट्ट.